Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are here. So today we are going to learn a heel stand. Actually, we're going to learn a heel stand 3 different ways. So make sure to stay tuned to learn this fun step. So a heel stand is exactly what it sounds like. Just means that you're standing and balancing on your heels. Now we're gonna do this 3 different ways. The first way is with both feet going at the same time. So take a look. So that's with both feet at the same time. Now the important thing here is that you plie or bend your knees before you jump up into the heel stand. You're also going to tighten your core when you go up on those heels so that it's easier to balance. Let's try it again. First, we're going to plie, and then we're going to jump up on our heels and down. And when you come down, you're gonna land on the balls of your feet. So I'm gonna do it to the back so you can take a look. We're going to plie, heel stand, and land. The second way you can do a heel stand is by doing the heels separately. So we're still going to use both heels, but we're not going to go up on the heels at the same time. This time we're going to do one at a time. So I will do right, left, and then we land. I'll do it to the back so you can take a look. We're gonna start out with the plie, and we're going to go up on our right heel first, then our left heel, then come down. Right, left, down. Again, right, left, down. You can do it on the left foot as well. Plie, left, right, down. Again, plie, left, right, down. So from the front, that's going to look like plie, left, right, down. Right, left, down. Great, and the final way you can do a heel stand is on one single foot. So rather than using both heels, you're just going to go up on one heel and back down. Again, we're going to plie, and then we're going to go up on one heel only, up and down. Okay, great, let's put it all together. So we're going to go up on both heels, then we're going to do right, left, down, then we'll do left, right, down, and then we're just going to do right and then left. Let's try it. Starting with the plie. Up and down. Now we're going to do right, left, down. Plie, right, left, down. Left, right, down. Now we're going to do singles, right, down, and left, down. Great job, you guys. Okay, the tighter you hold in that core, the more likely you're going to be able to balance a little bit longer on these heel stands. So practice these and make sure to come back next week because we're going to do part 2 of the heel stand tutorial. This time we're going to learn how to do heel stand turns. A lot of fun. So in the meantime, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment in the little box below, and share this with as many friends as you can. I'd so appreciate it. See you guys soon. Bye.